It's out these junctions sometimes, don't you? We're turning left and hogging. Oh dear, ran that red light right. You weren't looking, who was behind you, were you, lad?
But instead he decided to put out an opportunistic video on Twitter. Yes. And far from apologising for this, Farage has only doubled down, releasing further videos where he actually warned.
Bloody hell, is he for real? Jesus, Alan, that is ridiculous.
To go with you, whether you're planning a weekend city break, a week in the sun, or a trip of a lifetime, search Saga over the 50
Nice one.
quote today. Saga.
Wasn't too busy in IKEA.
Hitting it early was the best thing to do, really.
Yo no sé si en ese vestuario, Elena, después de esta tormenta, hay preocupación por el rendimiento de Nico.
Really nice, real nice.
I need my card, you put my card in your wallet.
Gonna wander out. Just didn't even look. Just did he? State of it.
roundabout. Take the third exit. May the gods be favorable.
Hello. He's going.
Just give him some space, because if something's coming the other way, they're going to smash into each other. Give him some space, back up, because if he's stupid and he crashes into somebody, we're going to end up as a secondary if we're too close.
Oh, it's the guy at the front of the guy at the front is what's the guy over top?
Red light, you cheeky bastard. Like he was just there and there. You're better. Wow. That was red.
You're now leaving the works. Oh, not allowed.
Not allowed.
So, as well as the gods, the kind of real hardcore weird myths, and as well as the historical documents, so as a medieval historian I read things like the Heimskringla.
Well, for the fans of Zephyrs and Zodiacs, here is a Mark I. Definitely not with original wheels though. And here we have a Chevrolet, and I believe this model is an Impala from the 1960s. Look at that rear wing though. Jensen Interceptor. And this one is an Interceptor GS, which is something modified. with that unique rear window. Wouldn't fancy trying to get a replacement for one of those. Now, for the lovers of quirky and cool, have a look at the top here. This, believe it or not, is the engine temperature gauge. If you have a look at it from the driver's perspective, we have cool, normal, and you're in dead trouble. And we have here Renault's answer to the 2CV, the Renault 4. Okay, well, this evening we have a 911 Targa dating back to 1976, and we have a trio of Boxsters. And here we have a Maserati Quattroporte Grand Sport. Quattroporte, of course, means 4-door.